Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking what's already in place and why it matters. Open your router or device DNS panel and record current entries so you can revert if needed. Once done, pick a public DNS with low latency and good privacy. Cloudflare or Google are common choices. They resolve domains fast and reduce tampering. Make sure you have admin access. Without it, you cannot change resolver settings. This first step prevents mistakes and prepares you to change resolution so Facebook's domains map correctly. Now you perform the actual change. Access router or device DNS settings and enter the chosen resolver IPs. Router changes apply to every connected device, which saves time. Once saved, flush your device DNS cache and restart the browser so stale answers do not persist. Then, verify with tools. Run nslookup or dig for Facebook. Com and check the returned IP addresses. A successful resolution means DNS is answering correctly. If names resolve but pages fail, keep going to network-level checks. Finally, open Facebook in a browser and try login. Use private mode to rule out cookies and extensions. If pages still block, inspect whether a VPN or firewall is filtering HTTPS or particular IP ranges. DNS fixes names, but cannot bypass network blocks. You can also try alternate public resolvers or set DNS on the router versus each device. One may work where another does not. If nothing helps, revert the original DNS values, then test incrementally. That return to known state step is your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.